Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my experience using this platform. Today, we're diving into Binance, available at https://www.binance.com. This is a comprehensive look at one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Binance provides a platform for trading a wide variety of digital assets, from established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum to a constantly evolving selection of newer altcoins. Navigating the Binance platform, you'll encounter a range of features designed for both novice and experienced traders. The interface can seem a bit daunting at first, but with a little exploration, you'll discover the tools you need to manage your crypto portfolio effectively. From basic market orders to more advanced limit and stop limit orders, Binance offers a comprehensive suite of trading options. They also provide charting tools and market analysis features, allowing you to stay informed and make informed trading decisions. Security is paramount in the crypto world, and Binance emphasizes a multi-tiered security approach. They utilize two-factor authentication, 2FA, to protect user accounts and employ various other security measures behind the scenes to safeguard user funds. While no system is entirely foolproof, Binance has a generally strong reputation for security within the industry. Beyond trading, Binance offers a growing ecosystem of services. This includes staking options, where you can earn rewards on your holdings, and a launchpad for new cryptocurrency projects. They also offer various savings products and lending options, providing additional avenues to potentially grow your crypto assets. These features, combined with their extensive educational resources, make Binance a valuable platform for anyone interested in the cryptocurrency space. It's important to remember that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and involves substantial risk. Any investment decision should be made with careful consideration and after conducting your own thorough research. While platforms like Binance offer powerful tools and resources, they are not financial advisors. Always exercise caution and manage your investments responsibly. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose.